Hi friends, today I'll be posting my earning video for the month of July. Yes, it's very late, but if you have been following me in social media, you must be knowing that I was and still am affected by COVID again. Even after having 3 vaccines, I still got COVID positive. I was down with fever, sore throat. My throat is still bad, but I wish to complete this video. I'll be recording the screen over here, and the light is the opposite side of the camera, not good, but still I am trying my best to complete this video. And there's a weird sound coming from the laptop. It's a gaming laptop, but its condition is really very bad. Anyway, I don't have the power to edit everything. I know, if I was a doctor, I would recommend my patient not to stress out. Please give your voice a bit rest. But I don't like being silent because I am already bored staying at home, and I am having headache if I look at my laptop, so on and so forth. But still, let's do it, right? So you can see the first. I'm gonna report my earning in 123rf.com, $1.77, and total 9 photos were sold. Big stock. In big stock, for the month of July, I had 2 sales, 25 cents each, and they gave me $0.5, right, totally. In case of Dreamstime, there were total 5 sales in July and 2.83 US dollars. In case of deposit photos, there were how many 10 sales and 6.96 US dollar. Okay. In case of IEM, as you can see, I just requested, today is 7th August, as I'm recording the video now, I just requested the payout, and there were 66 licenses sold till date. So I will count 10.11 US dollar. For the next time, I won't count the monthly earning of IEM because it's a bit complicated, and I will count, I'll make it a point that I count it in the right way, right? Next, Adobe Stock. In Adobe Stock, for the month of July, I got 18 sales and 13.32 US dollar. Not bad. Now note this, I have a portfolio of around 3,300 images across all agencies, right? Except in Adobe Stock, because my account, you all know this. If you are new, you might not be knowing, and in that case, please like this video and subscribe, and you are welcome to this channel. I uploaded almost 1100 photos in Adobe Stock, because my belief was I will upload completely new content in my new account, because to prevent any duplicacy. So that's the state of my Adobe Stock account. And I also do upload in Wirestock, but in Wirestock the files are completely different. In all of my other earnings video, people asked, okay, you are uploading in all other agencies and you are uploading in Wirestock, how come? Yes, in Wirestock you cannot upload that same photo that you have already uploaded in Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, etc., right? Excuse me. For Wirestock, you need to upload completely different photos. Frankly, for me right now, I am inactive in stock photography uploading since last 7 to 8 months. Okay. Yes, I find time with my boy and everything. I click photos, believe me, I click a lot, and I still click photos keeping stock photography in mind, with a hope that one day I can upload, but that day is not coming. I don't know how. It's not happening anyway. But the beauty of stock photography is I'm still getting my passive income, right? You can see I've taken paracetamol for fever, and so my fever is now coming down and I'm sweating. Anyway, that being said, in Wirestock, my earning for the month of July, 1st July to 31st July, is 21.89 US dollar. Not bad, right? And my Wirestock portfolio is only 500 images. I think I should upload in Wirestock. It doesn't require much, right? I just need to upload. But you know what? I'm a perfectionist. I feel I do give the best titles and keywords to my photos, so I don't upload. I don't feel I feel uploading in Wirestock is a wastage of my photos, and I don't find the time in uploading other agencies. So basically it's a loss situation for me, I think. But still, I don't just upload in Wirestock, I still edit those photos. So I think I need to do a better job, at least find some time in editing those photos, and then I can upload. Right? I just want to see that day when Wirestock becomes my best selling platform. Right? Not yet. So the second most selling was Butterstock. In Butterstock, in the month of July, I had 99 sales and 23.6 US dollars. Okay. And the topmost seller, I already made this video, because in July you get the update of June in case of iStock and Get Images, and over there I had 92 photos sold for a total value of 33.12 US dollars. Well, my friends, I have added the whole thing and it came to be around 114.35 US dollar. That amounts to around 9,000 Indian rupee. So not bad, just by not uploading anything at all. 9,000 rupee, yeah, it gives some passive income, right? It's better than nothing. But honestly, what I recommend to everyone, if I'm not being able to do right now, that is I have stopped uploading, which you should never do. You should please keep uploading, and then you can do much better than what I am earning right now. Okay, I thank you all for supporting me. I thank you all for your get well soon best wishes. Okay, that really helped me to recover. I have got still few days more to recover to my full potential. Anyways, please, if you're watching this video till now, please type fit in the comment section, FIT, the word fit. It will help me to get fit, and I request all of you to please follow your basic precaution. COVID is still there, and if it affects you, it will really hamper your life. Okay, so I wish you all a very good health, and I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, bye and take care.